Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the egg boiler mode on your THERMOMIX TM6. The egg boiler mode is a really good mode. It is really precise based on how I've been using it, and it helps you boil your eggs exactly to the level you want. Now you should go to the right page and then find egg boiler. Now it tells you that you should place 2 to 6 eggs in medium size, cold from the fridge, in mixing bowl without the simmering basket. Then add water up to the 1 liter mark. Place simmering basket on mixing bowl lid, on top of the lid, to prevent water from splashing. Then choose desired cooking point from the selector, and it will later tell you that when the mode is finished you should remove the water, and then you should rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking. Now it gives you different modes. You can rotate the wheel to set it to soft, medium, soft, medium, medium hard, or hard, and it actually is very precise. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.